All right, boom, one more. I needed to add this little access hole in this torsion box. I won't be able to get to it later, but I don't need to draw that in studio. I can just use this dude. Shaper plate, right? So I just drew it out, 2 3/8 square, made some crosshairs, line up this reticle with those crosshairs, like right there, and boom, that is literally ready to go. That's not gonna move, I don't need to clamp it. Grab this dude, we go to create, rectangle, width, 2 3/8, 2.375, done. Height 2.375, just like that. Fast, man. I love quick solutions like that. That is awesome.